We're about to start this BMW, yeah, of course. Marizam. So that's how we do it here in Taharish. Taharish.